Hi, it's the BlondeKyiv, and today I want to bring you to one project which touched me to the core. So, let's go. Здравствуйте.
Hello, welcome to the museum.
It's a unique place called 3 AM. Here you will have an opportunity to learn more about life of people who don't see this world. As you can see, a new group come here every hour for an excursion. Here you can come across a unique experiment that will definitely change your idea how blind people perceive the world. Also, you can ask them any questions.
Hello again, my name is Nicole. I'd like to invite you to our lunch zone where I can tell you about our museum.
Could you tell me please more about this place?
Yeah, sure. So we opened the museum in the dark, 3 after midnight, in Kyiv in 2017. It is the only museum in Ukraine where all the tours are conducted in total darkness and accompanied by the blind guides. We have a lot of excursions. We provide different types of tours. We have our basic tours, a walk in the dark and a date in the dark. We also have an outside blind walk, Feel Kyiv. We have Quest of Senses.
Wow.
It's just amazing experience.
I have already been here before. I spent 1.5 hours in completely dark space when we were passing by locations from our usual day. And after that, a guy taught me to write and read Braille. I'm always happy to learn something new.
Yes, you have your personal guide. His name is Igor, and he will be more than happy to give you an excursion.
Oh, super, thank you. While we wait on our guide Igor, I want to show you nice locations of this room. Look here, who is able to read this Braille? And also, these artworks are amazing.
Hello,
Hello.
I'm Igor, але я буду говорити українською.
Звичайно.
Yes,
Okay.
so we want to tell you more about the main idea of our museum because it's really deep. So the main idea of our museum is to destroy barriers between blind and sighted, and our guide will tell you more about it.
Так, як вже сказала Ніколь, наш музей руйнує бар'єри між зрячими і незрячими людьми. Це наша ідея, якій ми слідуємо, а також люди, коли виходять з темряви, вона знаходиться позад мене там, а люди виходять вже іншими. Їхнє життя ніколи вже не стане таким, як було до того, коли вони потрапили до нас в темряву. І у нас немає жодного клієнта, який би вийшов з темряви з негативними емоціями. Люди виходять і у них є сміх, посмішка, сльози радості і багато кажуть круто.
I'm very excited now about my tour, but it's actually usually walking tour in Kyiv, but in completely darkness. So, here my mask. So, let's start now. And now we are starting our tour with the blind guide Igor. He was very careful and explained about all the danger we might meet on our way. I had to trust him fully. Nicole had to leave us and return to the museum, and we continued exploring the city together. I enjoyed walking so much. It was my first experience of such a kind. I recommend everyone to try it. And I can add only this: unforgettable emotions. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Links are in the description box down below this video. I also have a Patreon. I appreciate your support. Thank you.